Welcome to today's market report.
Europe's stock 600 ended slightly lower after also recovering most of the session's losses. It touched its highest level since September the 20th as the European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde spoke. The ECB raised rates by 75 basis points in line with expectations and signaled that it was keen to start shrinking its bloated balance sheet. The more dovish tone pushed the euro back below parity against the US dollar. Yields on the benchmark 10-year German bond dropped to a 3-week low of 1.978%. London's FTSE 100 was up 0.25%, while German DAX was up 0.12%, both recovering earlier losses. Investors are focused on the outlook for future rate hikes. Emerging market stocks extended gains to a third straight session. MSCI's index of EM stocks was about 1% higher. The Bank of Canada delivered a smaller than expected rate hike late on Wednesday, bolstering investors' hopes that central banks would slow their aggressive pace of rate hikes. Data on Thursday also showed the Fed interest rate increases hurt consumer spending. It is expected to deliver a 75 basis points hike in November, but speculation that it may be less aggressive afterwards has led the dollar to decline 1.4% so far this week. The Japanese yen gave back early gains seen ahead of Friday's Bank of Japan meeting. Most analysts expect the central bank to maintain its ultra-low interest rates. Gold eased actually, weighed by the greenback's advance. Brent crude futures rose 1.49%, while the US crude price gained 1.67%. The GBP/USD dropped from around 116 after hitting 6-week highs at 116.45 on the back of strong US economic data. US Treasury yields slid at the same time.
This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.